Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Clash of Clans pins in Brawl Stars. First, you'll need to ensure both your Clash of Clans and Brawl Stars accounts are connected to the same Supercell ID. This is a crucial first step to unlock your exclusive in-game reward. Once linked, the system recognizes your connection, preparing you to receive a special pin. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete. To link your Supercell ID, open either game and navigate to the Settings menu, usually found via a gear icon. From there, select the Supercell ID option. If you already have one, simply log in. If not, it's quick and easy to create a new account. The key is to use the exact same Supercell ID for both your Clash of Clans and Brawl Stars games. This establishes the necessary connection for your reward. Once your accounts are successfully linked via Supercell ID, launch Brawl Stars. Head over to your in-game mailbox, often represented by an envelope icon, or check the shop's free rewards section. You should find your exclusive Clash of Clans themed pin waiting for you there. Simply tap on it to claim your new cosmetic item and proudly display it in your Brawler profile. It's a unique way to show off your Supercell loyalty. For troubleshooting, always double-check that both your Clash of Clans and Brawl Stars accounts are indeed linked to the identical Supercell ID. Sometimes, a simple restart of the Brawl Stars application can resolve display issues if the pin doesn't immediately appear. Keep in mind that this exclusive pin is a one-time reward, meaning you'll receive it only once per Supercell ID connection. Enjoy your unique new pin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.